Welcome to your physical therapy meditation and preparing for movement. As you prepare for your physical therapy session, take a moment to land in this space. Physical healing begins with a quiet mind and a willing body. Adjust your posture so you feel supported and gently close your eyes. Our goal now is to shift your energy from the clutter of the day into the physical sensations of your body. We want to move from feeling rigid to feeling fluid, allowing your muscles to become soft, flexible, and ready to work. We'll start with calming, energizing breaths to signal to your nervous system that it is safe and it's okay to let go of its grip. Let's do 3 sets together. Inhale, hold, and feel that energy expand. Exhale, and release the hold in your muscles. Hold the stillness. Inhale, breathing light into any tight areas. Hold, letting the oxygen saturate your tissues. Exhale, letting go of the day's stressors. Hold, feeling your heart rate slow down. Inhale, hold, exhale, and hold. Now continue 2 more sets of breaths on your own. With every breath, imagine your muscle fibers lengthening and unknotting. Notice yourself becoming more liquid and less rigid. Now let your breath move naturally and imagine a warm, golden, healing energy starting at the top of your head and slowly pouring down through your body. As it moves down your head, feel the energy erasing the areas of tension in your forehead and your jaw. As it eases down into your shoulders, feel them become heavy and drop away from your ears. As the energy moves down your spine, feel the space between each vertebrae open up. As it reaches your hips and legs, feel any bracing or armoring simply melt away. Feel the healing energy as it flows through you to all parts of you, releasing tension, unclenching, and loosening any knots. Your body is not a machine to be fixed. It is a living system that knows how to move. Visualize your joints becoming well-oiled and easy. See yourself moving with a sense of lightness rather than effort. Set aside the no pain, no gain mindset. You are here to get stronger, and pushing yourself beyond your limits could hurt you more. Instead, prepare your mind to be receptive to the feedback your body gives you during your exercises. And the gains you will receive will be through the efforts you are making to get better and by just showing up. Feel your mind opening to the instructions of your physical therapist and learning from what they have to offer you. You are becoming a partner with your body, and you will work together and listen to each other. You are flexible. You are resilient. And you are ready to move with ease. Feeling a fresh spark of energy that will carry you throughout the session, motivation and strength that you need. Now take in a deep, energizing breath that brings you back to this moment, feeling alert, refreshed, and excited to move and become stronger. Gently open your eyes and carry this sense of fluid ease into your session and into the rest of your day. Welcome back to your life flow.